welcome to the recap of the hashtag July postcard play. This is all in one, which is all the postcards in one video. First of all, I did decorate this box. It's a puzzle box that which I had I have all my postcards in, and I added lace. Actually, I added this that is on the sides is like a dyed napkin. I wrinkled it under here because you know how it says puzzles and 5,000 pieces or whatever. So I covered all that up, lace on here that go down into the sides, and added some trim, some gold. The trim goes almost all the way around, and the box is jelly print paper from the outside and the inside, at least the bottom, which, let me see, hold on. There you go. You can see the bottom. This is a jelly print, which I decoupaged because just in case it got wet. And this is not a doily. This is actually a print that I pulled when I did the jelly print. So now I'm going to show you all the postcards. Okay, now I'm ready. I had to put them in order. Um, Here is number one. Here is number two. I really like this one. And if you see the individual video, this is a tissue paper. Here is number three. You can barely see the number, but it's in the corner, right? Number three. Number four. Number five. Love this one. I think I like them all. Number six. It has very shiny stickers. Number seven. It had to have something shiny. Number eight. This went perfect with number eight, the little rabbit. This is embossed. Number nine. And those are with new drops. You can see that. I think this is the one that, this is the postcard that I did upside down accidentally, as you can see. Sorry. I made a boo-boo. Number 10. And that has some, what did they call this? Oh, the gesso that I made my own color. That one. And some gold. Number 11. Number 12. I know who this is going to. And this one. 13. 14. It's a shaker. There's 15. Didn't add much because of the silhouette to her. And I love this butterfly. 16 as a dyed doily. 17. 18. 19. I love this one. Look at how shiny it is. That's 19. 20. 20 is kind of thick. Oh, this is one of my favorites because this was this I wrinkled a napkin on here. And this is not jelly print. That's why I did half jelly print and half this, because and then I wouldn't have an element so of jelly print. So that's what I did that. 21. I know who this is going to. I'm gonna start sending some out. Not all of them at the same time, but here's that one. Looks like real buttons. They are real buttons, but I kind of copied them to on my scanner and added them like that, so it won't be that heavy or 3D. This one reminds me of Leah because she had those flowers. Super cool. 24. First time using um, stencil butter on a plate. And I love it, especially the shine. Number 25. Loving the background, like a fall background. So I did the tree stampings on there. I love it. It's pretty. I'm liking all of them. Oh, this one, especially this one. Look at that. That is a rooster. He's croaking now. Look at that. I made his eyes blue. 27, gold leaf with gold foiling. 28. I think that's, yeah. Some of these, oh, and I did this one upside down also. Sorry. Look at that. These will go in envelopes, so I mean, here, I didn't put it long enough so you can see. But this one still can move. You can still lift it up. Like that. 29. Lots of shininess. 30. Oh, the chickies. And 31. Those are all my 31 postcards. Look at that. Right there. Looks like I did greens, blues, pinks, purples, orange, green. Did I say green? Yellow. I don't know. I didn't do red. Why didn't I do red? I was like barely noticing that I didn't do a red background. Oh, actually, yes, I did. Where'd it go? Where did it go? This one. Look at that. Okay, so I did do at least one red one. Okay, cool. So let me know what you think. I think this is a good way to send someone a happy note. All handmade from you, and it's a special and unique way to tell someone you care about them in any way. So thank you so much, especially to Carrie the Crafter, for doing this. It has helped me a lot, and can't wait to do more, but not right now because I'm stuffed. I'm stuffed from making all these. So I'm going to try to focus on something else for now. And moving on, hopefully, not, I don't know if this year or maybe next year, make some more without the numbers, just randomly. So, but with the numbers, I think it did help a lot. It helped to keep track, like he said. And what else? What else do we have to do? Oh, a jelly print. Most of these, can you believe most of these are roll off prints? The ones that I made, it was like, except for this one, I made it specifically like that. I'm trying to see if there's another one that I did specifically. Yeah, like I did several that are definitely specific, but mostly like 90% of them are roll off prints because I like them a lot. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow the hashtag July postcard play, and I'm gonna try to fix my inbox and put Carrie the Crafter down there. Um, I don't know what to say, but I love it. Thank you so much. Bye. Share, like, subscribe if you would like to. Bye.